Hey, today it's about the Optimus Polaris multi-fuel stove. I have this bottle for the fuel. There's a pump. I already attached it. You have to pump to get some pressure, and this is the main advantage. You can use almost every fuel from vehicles, fill it inside, and with this pump you make the pressure. So compared to gas stoves, you are not you're not relying on the pressure in a can, because you can make your own pressure. That's like broken down. The stove itself is inside my pot. This is also from Optimus. It has got this down here. This is for more effective transfer of the heat to the content. Inside here is the stove itself. It's folded down and relatively compact, as you can see. Now I can fold it open, close the system, and in here I have the cap for this bottle. Have some aluminium as a protection from wind, so I can fold this around, and also some protection for the ground. So this is like a fireproof layer, or it can also prevent your tent from getting melted or the snow to melt. And there's also something for maintenance. I added a lighter, and there's also this tool inside. You can use this to tighten the screws or to open and maintain the stove, and also a magnet, because inside here you have a needle, and when you move this you can make easy cleaning of the jet inside. At first I add some water to the pot. At first pumping, then I connect this with that one and make sure it's on off, so it's switched off. And now here's the on, so when it's placed on that side, that you can read the on, the fuel can go through, and when I turn it the other way, there's the off, then there will be no gas that comes to the stove. Because inside here the pump has got like a L shape, and that way when switched on off it's in the air, and that way it's down in the fuel. Alright, now this is closed, so I at first open here, get my lighter. Now I open here, get some fuel inside and close it again. So now this is the preheating. I light it. Now you have a relatively big flame, so really be aware when you are inside your tent. This is burning with a big flame and with a yellow flame, so you have some remains, and this is not good air, so do not use this inside the tent. And now I have to wait some time until it's heated up. Depending on the temperature of the environment, it can take a bit longer or shorter. Sometimes you have to open it again to add some more fuel, but after some time you will get used to preheating the system. Now it almost heated up. I can already open it a bit more, and now it can heat up even more. And when it has got the right temperature, we'll have a nice flame that you can't really see. It's a relatively loud stove, but with 3000 watt it has got a lot of power. And even in winter, when it's freezing cold, you can heat up your water, you can melt snow, and you can really rely on this stove. I've been using it for like 3 or 4 years now. I like it for summer, I like it for winter, or even when it's only a bit cold, because I can just fill up this bottle, and I can also attach a big bottle, and I'm not relying on pre-filled gas cans which are half full or whatever. So I really like this stove. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to be watched by you again. Bye.